Welcome everybody. I'm Mike Hilmer, the superintendent here at Bellevue Community School District, and we want to give you a quick tour of the 3 through 5 building that's going up. We're getting near the end of construction and we're excited to get the teachers and the students in here for this school year. One great feature we have here at the new elementary building is the gymnasium, and we've got 6 nice hoops in here. We're putting in a set of bleachers right now, and we're really excited to be able to use this for some of our youth programs and for our PE kids. Another great feature that we have is, as you can see behind me, is our STEM room, which is going to be great for our students to get in and be able to do some work in the STEM room. And then adjacent from it across the hall is going to be our library. Here you can see our new library. This will be nice as we haven't had a library per se in our old elementary. There's going to be a library built for basically PK through 5. So when we get the new addition on this building, it'll be set up for the whole school. You can see there's plenty of room, areas for kids to work, and then again, it's across the hall from our STEM room where kids can work on projects and get a lot of things done in Miss Kellogg's room. Here you can see one of our typical classrooms. This is going to be really exciting for our students. Brand new furniture, a lot of space, and obviously the great views out the windows. So I know our kids and our teachers are really excited about this, and we're excited for all of them as well. As you can see over my right shoulder, this is where the new addition will eventually be built. We'll add on to this school to get all of our elementary kids out on one location. I hope you've enjoyed the miniature tour that we've given you. As you can see, we're still under construction with about a month to go. Once construction's done, we'll invite everybody out, and we'd love to have the public come out and see the building in late August. And there'll be more details coming out about that here soon.